Hello friends, in this video let us see the features of new Thinkpad e480 laptop. It's an i3 processor with 1 TB hard disk and 4 GB RAM. So let us come to that later. Let us quickly review the accessories that came along with this laptop. So this is the regular power cable that came along with this laptop, and this is the adapter. So this is the adapter with the Lenovo branding, and it is a 65-watt adapter which is mentioned here, and this adapter is type C. So this is a type C adapter, so the power socket is going to be type C. Next, this is the bag that came along with the laptop. It is a pretty decent bag. I'm sure this would last for at least 2 to 3 years, and there is a Lenovo branding over here, and there is no other branding anywhere else on the bag. Okay, and there is a side pouch on both the sides, and we have a zipper here with accessory pockets, and this is the main compartment where you have additional pockets for accessories, and there is also a space for keeping the laptop. So this bag would easily hold a 15.6-inch laptop at ease. And there is also one more additional zipper that is present over here. So that is all about the accessories that came along with the Lenovo laptop. Now let us review the actual laptop itself. So this is a laptop. I have not opened the packing yet, so it is completely sealed. Now let us unbox it. So this is the security seal which has to be taken off. So we'll remove the seal. Okay. Now we will take the actual laptop. We'll have a look at the actual laptop. Wow. It's matte finish. This laptop is matte finish. It's very neat, very neat. Now let's look at the back side. It is very clean. This laptop doesn't comes with the built-in OS. We have to install it separately, so there is no product key label here. And so this is the actual laptop. Now let's look at the connectors that comes built in. So we have a SD connector, a regular SD card, a micro SD card, and USB 2.0, and there is one LAN connector and one lock port. And on the other side we have this charging port, which is a type C, and there is one HDMI port and two USB 3.0 ports, and one among the slot is powered USB, which means you need not turn on the system to have to receive the power from this socket. You can charge your mobile phones even if the laptop is turned off. And this one is a combo port for mic as well as for headphones. Now let us unlock it. Okay, so this is the actual laptop. So it comes with the Intel Core i3 8th generation processor, and it's very neat. No stickers or no rubbish stickers here. And Thinkpad logo. This is the fingerprint reader, and this is a 14-inch laptop. So this is the power key, and we have all the other keys over here. This is the actual laptop itself, and we have this Lenovo branding over here, and the model number E480 here. And coming to the bezel is very, very thin, and we have the mic and camera placed at the edge of the bezel, very neatly placed. And this is the nav key. Okay, so that is all about the new Lenovo E480 laptop. Thank you for watching, guys.